pretty. I added a little bit of the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in there. I'm going to remove these now, and then I'm going to work on my lower lash line right here because the tape is just slightly covering it. But I am really happy with it now. Looks so pretty, so pretty. All right, I am about ready to take off the tape and do my lower lash line. I can tell you this layering and building technique does take a while, but so worth it in the end, so worth it. And of course, as always, I always like to do my face first. So if you're doing this method, I definitely recommend doing the eyes first if you don't want to like mess up the makeup. Did a little extra thick wing tonight to go with the look, as you can see. All right, guys, so this is the final look after the Supernova shadows, which I absolutely love, but let's take a look at how it all went down. All right, guys, I am hoping that the camera's picking up just how beautiful this ombre sunset lid is. I did a burgundy soft smoke look tonight, and I just really vibe with these colors overall just because they're very flattering for blue eyes. And I used the Kylie Burgundy Extended Palette, which looks like this, to create this look. All right, guys, so I did use the new BH Cosmetics Opalescent palette to create this soft smoke look. So I'm going to show you guys Tickle. Tickle did not come to play either. Okay, so this one is the Cheek Leader Pink Squad, and the other one that I showed you guys yesterday was the Bronze Squad. So let's take a look at Tickle, the highlighter in this one. Whew, that's popping too. Whew. Whew. I am popping. I am loving this all matte, warm, smoky sunset eye. I feel like it's been a hot minute since I did that. I don't know. I guess maybe some people wouldn't consider it all matte because I did put a little tiny shimmer in the corner. But hey, I've been playing so much with glitter that I'd forgotten how much I just love my warm. Wow, I feel really toned down because I literally like have no shimmer, no glitter, nothing. This is just an all matte look. I really wanted to do a pink glitter wing because that's what I was going to do to kind of match the outfit, but I just didn't. I am loving this all matte, warm, smoky sunset eye. I feel like it's been a hot minute since I did that. I don't know. I guess maybe some people wouldn't consider it all matte because I did put a little tiny shimmer in the corner. But hey, I've been playing so much with glitter that I'd forgotten how much I just love my warm, matte, smoky. Well, I still consider it soft smoke, but it's a little smokier than what I normally do. But I am proud of myself because I did not double dip. I created the entire look using the Moroccan Sunset palette from BH Cosmetics. I got some new palettes, and at the end of this video, I got a couple pictures of them. Last week, I got the Zodiac Love Sign, so this is the Zodiac palette, and then this is their new Opalescent palette. So, love BH Cosmetics. Okay, guys, so I did want to show you guys my Shop Hush order came today. They had an amazing sale last week. Everything was 60% off plus an additional 50% off on top of that, but I had every single thing. All right, guys, so as soon as I got done filming the icy lime green mint look using this palette right here. This little guy shows up at the door. Yeah, sultry vibes for sure. So I had to grab a little Q-tip, little makeup remover, and play in this one. So I created this look using this palette and this little glitter topper gloss called a Poppin' from the Morphe Christmas line. Urban Decay and I, we go all the way back. Yeah, even to the late 90s, early 2000s, the Midnight Cowboy era. Yeah, even the Rides Again era. We go all the way back. So of course, I'm in it. I'm loving this icy mint look. Been planning to do this color combo for a while, but was waiting until I got the Lime Crime Venus XL2 palette, which looks like this. I did post a video of this yesterday because I just got it. This palette also has some beautiful I love these gold and browns. So I used the Violet Voss Creme Brulee palette to create the look. All right, guys, so I did another all matte look and had another outer V moment. I used to be a member of the Great American Smokeout group, which is what I always called myself. Now I like soft smoke. So I even kind of smudged out my little baby wing, and I created this look just using two things. I used the bronzer, the Hoola bronzer from this Benefit Blush Bar, which is my All right, guys, this video is now live on YouTube. If you guys want to see how I created this icy purple look, then click the link in the bio. I am having so much fun with ColourPop's Super Shock Vault. So I changed the thing different. So I was really loving how this eye look came out tonight, and I suddenly got this wild hair up my butt and decided to draw this little winged liner just using black eyeshadow. Now I'm well aware that it's going to take a little bit of practice, so this is literally like and a bronzer, blush, and a highlighter, and I am all about these shades. I love this look. I was just feeling really summery today, so I used the ColourPop Soul palette, and I'm going to top it with this Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter liner in the shade Volume, just for a tiny little bit of sparkle, because why not? I am so loving this sunset. Gosh, it's a soft smoke, sunset, bronzy type of a look. And yes, I am going to do a tutorial on this look coming up very soon. To create this look right here, I dipped into 3 different palettes, all Morphe. I started out with the 35F. I grabbed the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I think so I just love this bronzy and turquoise, kind of a icy ombre lid. But I have to take off my makeup now, so I'm just taking one last look. All right, guys. Wow. So this lip gloss, this is the Diamond Crushers from Lime Crime. And when I got this, I thought this was like a glittery type eyeshadow. And then I find out that it's like actually a lip gloss, but It does match the outfits. Old people, what are you gonna do? How many times have I said this now in my last like 3 or 4 videos? It is what it is. Alright guys, so I did use the new BH Cosmetics Opalescent palette to create this soft smoke look. So I'm going to show you guys Tickle. Tickle did not come to play either. Okay, so this one is the Cheek Leader Pink Squad, and the other one that I showed you guys yesterday was the Bronze Squad. So let's take a look at Tickle, the highlighter in this one. Whew, that's popping too. Whew. Whew. I am popping. All right guys, so I had to throw on some glitter and make this look complete. Yeah, it went through a lot of changes, but I'm gonna scrap all that and I'm happy with the final result now. So I used the Too Faced Tutti Frutti liquid glitter eyeshadows in the all right guys, so I don't even know like where to start with this because I don't usually do reviews, but I'm gonna tell you what I think about this palette. This is the new Tarte High Tides and Good Vibes. Yes, I do love this color story. I had no problems with the mattes blending. I just want to say that right off the bat. I actually love these mattes and I got a really pretty contour look going on in my crease, but I'm just going to jump right in and tell you guys what I think about these glitters. Horrible. Worst glitters I have ever worked with. I mean, immediately right off the bat, and yes, I did use NYX glitter glue as a base first. First of all, there's no depth to it. They're patchy. A lot of patchiness. The glitter started clumping pretty much right off the bat, and I got a ton of fallout, which I have used loose glitters and never had this problem. I have used metallic and foils and shimmers that have given me more pop than these glitters. This is a fail for me and is going back. All right, guys, so I've got good news and bad news. Well, the good news is I am much happier with this eye look because now I'm back to me. Like, this is like you guys know this is me. The bad news is I don't have a tutorial now because I did do a smoky cat eye-ish, kind of a smoky wing. I did a smoky little outer V. I mean, there's a lot of soft smoke, which is what I do. There's a lot of smoke going on. And then I just like, I couldn't go there. Like, that's just like not me. So I switched it at the last minute back to my normal cut crease look, and now I am happy. That's the good news. The bad news is now I don't have a tutorial, so I'm sorry, but I will get a tutorial up on an all matte look soon. I promise. I did do that though today. This is all matte look.